let's go over finger tapping the major notes. Major notes meaning if I have an E major, A major, D major, G major, or B major, which coincides with your open strings, we can figure out how to do a little pattern for finger tapping those major notes. So if we go to, for example, this top E string, and if we finger tap the 12th fret, now I finger tap with my middle finger, but if we finger tap the 12th fret here, and if we put our index finger on the 4th fret and our little finger on the 7th fret, these are all the notes of an E major chord. E, G sharp, and B. And the same thing if we go to the A string. You got A here on the 12th fret. On the 4th fret of the A string, you have C sharp on the 4th fret. And on the 7th fret, you have E, C sharp, E. And then if you go to the 4th string, that would be your D major notes. D on the 12th fret, F sharp with your index finger on the 4th fret, and with your little finger on the 7th fret, that's an A, D, F sharp, and A. That's your D major notes. On the 3rd string, that's a G on the 12th fret, and if we were to place our index finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, that's a B. Then on the 7th fret with a little finger, that's a D. Again, that's G, B, and D, all the notes of the G major chord. And if we go to the 2nd string on the 12th fret, that's a B. And if we place our index finger on the 4th fret, that's a D sharp. And if we place a little finger on the 7th fret, that's an F sharp. That's all your notes of a B major chord. And then again, your 1st string is the same as the 6th string. The 12th fret is an E. If you place your index finger on the 4th fret, that's a G sharp. And you place your little finger on the 7th fret, that's a B, E, G sharp, B. All your major notes of an E. If we go from the 6th string, we can play all the major notes for E major. The 5th string, all the major notes for A major. The 4th string, all the major notes for D major. On the 3rd string, all the major notes for G major. On the 2nd string, all the major notes for B major. And on the 1st string, all the major notes for E major again by just following that pattern. You finger tap the 12th fret of all those strings, and you place your index finger on the 4th fret and your little finger on the 7th fret. So you hit that 12th fret, you finger tap with your middle finger and pull off. You take your index finger and hammer on the 4th fret. You take your little finger and hammer on the 7th fret. And you just repeat that pattern. Hey, it's Mr. G. Thanks for watching the video. Keep on jamming.